In this video, I'll show you how to load paper in your HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E. So let's get started. The first step is to open this drawer. So you're gonna stick your finger right over here and pull on this. This drawer will come out completely. You don't have to pull it out the way I did it. You can simply keep it this way, simply so it's easier for you to see. I'll remove it completely. And over here, you're gonna see these blue plastic guides. When they're in this position, it's if you want to print on envelopes or smaller paper like 4x6, stuff like that. If you're printing on a letter size paper 8.5 by 11, you don't need these, so you can push them with your fingers to the extremities. As I said, I'll print on 8x5 by 11, which is letter size paper. But if you want to print on legal size, which is 8.5 by 14 inches, you're going to pinch this latch and you're going to pull to extend this drawer. You see? Now it's extended and it can take much longer paper. In my case, I don't want that, so I'll put it back the way it is. And by the way, if you're printing on envelopes or smaller paper, you can also put these stoppers over here so the paper, you know, stops over here and doesn't slide till the end of the drawer. So take your paper, simply put it in the drawer like this, nothing special really. You're gonna notice that on one side, on this blue guide, there is a line. You should never pile up paper above this line. If not, it can get stuck in your printer. Now let me reinsert this in the printer itself. And you're gonna notice there is this gray cover on the top. Maybe your gray cover is retracted in the printer. I don't know if you see, but there is this button over here and there is another one on the other side. If you press on that button, you're able to unlock it and push it against the printer or bring it over the paper tray. Okay, whoops. Just like that, so it covers it and you don't see the paper. The paper output of this printer is this one that you just saw. You can extend it when it's time to print, so your paper doesn't fly around on your table. It will stop over here. But this is about it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe. If you want to get some ink, some paper, or even a brand new printer, check my Amazon affiliate links. This is a good way to support my channel.